All right, guys, happy weekend, happy Saturday. We are out of the garage finally. After last week's debacle, I needed to do something else. I was checking out the old Facebooks again, and there's a group out there called PoBoys Car Club. Looks like they're established back in 1977, and every third Saturday they meet up and do this kind of fun cruising car show. There's all kinds of cars, right? We've got vintage cars, but big muscle cars. Everyone's hoods up, decks, the trunks are open. And yeah, it's a really cool time, so I thought, let's go check out some cars. I put out a bit of calling all bugs APB to see if anyone's out there who wants to bring their bug, and hopefully the weather holds out, because it's not gonna rain. Yeah, so there's just cars everywhere. You've got these beautiful, I know Z something, but I'm looking for the bugs, trying to find the bugs. Look at this one. Is this your car?
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Eddie Castaneda.
I'm VW, man. Nice to meet you.
you.
LA hat. Are you from LA?
I am from Ventura County.
Ventura County. I lived in LA for like 18 years.
Okay.
And my love for bugs and LA go side by side. So this car is beautiful. Can we talk about your car a little bit?
Yeah.
This is so great. Eddie, how'd you get this car?
Long story short, I was diagnosed with cancer.
Oh, no.
And I had just had surgery, and like everybody that goes through cancer, was feeling kind of down and out.
Yeah.
And I had VWs before, and
okay.
I needed one to bring me back.
Wow.
So I had a friend from LA, from Whittier.
Okay.
Mr. Mark Renwick. Everybody knows him as VW Dugan.
Yeah, Whittier, beautiful.
And I said, hey, I got to find me a VW, man. I'm in the dumps. I just had, my cancer surgery.
Wow.
And I said, can you find me a car? And he's got a lot of connections, and he found me this one. I'm the third owner.
Okay.
And I got this one in Tallahassee.
Oh, I went to school in Tallahassee.
And
are we like brothers right now? I don't understand. Wow, that's amazing.
Hey, anybody that owns a VW is brothers.
Yeah.
And we found it, second owner. His wife wanted it out of the garage. I guess she didn't know what she had.
Those wives are the best.
Hey, I wish I would have hugged her.
Great job, honey.
And he gave me a binder with all the receipts, because he's had it for over 40 years.
Wow.
It came with the birth certificate. I mean, it came with everything.
Excellent.
And he took care of it. I just put a new motor, tranny, disc brakes. I probably dumped in another 10 grand into it to get it to where I could drive it comfortably.
It's a
65.
65, and it's a survivor.
Yeah.
Just like you, man.
Congratulations
on cancer, dude. That's awesome. So really, the paint and everything you have is what it was when you got it.
Yeah.
Right? All this is all original to the owner. It's so cool. Like,
it was in better shape. I'm trying to give it some patina.
Yeah, I love it.
Bring it out.
Can I look at the engine?
Yeah. I don't think I got 1,000 miles on it yet.
Wow. So, oh my gosh, this is beautiful, dude.
It's an 1806.
Look at you. Wow. Okay.
And it was built out in Alabama by Harold's VW.
Oh yeah, I know Harold. In fact, I met him about his Zwitter on our show. Check out the episode. He had a Zwitter for sale.
Yeah.
And Lindy Harrell, I think his last name is pronounced.
Harrell.
I always mix it up. Sorry, Lindy. He knows everything.
Yeah.
And his son knows everything, and I think his daughter's in the business too. Like, they're lifelong VW people.
Yeah. So Jamie and them, they hooked me up, and like I said, about 1,000 miles on it, and
In fact, his son Jamie has a hat. It's an awesome hat. It's a Wolfsburg hat. I've only ever seen one of them, and it's the one he has. I'm gonna show a picture of it. If you can find this hat, I want it. I'm looking for this hat. But this bug, got to 65 Beetle. Dude, this is so great. And convertibles, you got to do it, right? Yeah, it's so great.
I mean, you take this to California, and 30, 35,000.
Easy. All day. I love the vintage suitcase in here. This is cool. Wow. Dude, this is awesome, and it's on the road, which is great, because a lot of people have these vintage cars, and they're just sitting in a building, which is fine, but I want to see one in the wild, right?
Yeah.
I was walking down the street the other day. Going for a walk today, kind of rainy, kind of gloomy. Wait, what's this? I mean, how cool is that?
Yeah.
It's very exciting, so you don't often get to see one.
So I did my little thing. I've always wanted the safari window.
Oh, yeah.
I've never seen one on a VW.
Can you show me how it works?
Yeah. So what you can do is you can just adjust it.
Oh, look at that. Beat the heat.
I've never seen them. Hey, air conditioning.
Dude, yeah, easy, right?
It's
original AC.
That's it. Can't get any better than that.
This is so great. Wow.
So, little knickknacks.
You got to personalize it, right? Otherwise, just someone else's car that you own. But now it's Eddie's car.
We're all different. That one's different from mine. That one.
Yeah, you're gonna get that in a minute. But
we're
yeah,
all
this is so great. And do you have any other plans for it? Like what's on, I'm sure you have a to-do list. I love this steering wheel, by the way, before I get too far.
Yeah.
Look at this, this is sick. Wow. Wolfsburg's, this is awesome,
Yeah,
Eddie.
yeah.
I love it. So
Little by little, you know, I mean, whatever my mind comes up with, you know,
Yeah.
I had to put the seats. These are the scat, those are the scat seats.
These are nice. Oh yeah.
I mean, you can
Look at this.
look at. I mean, you know, your back doesn't hurt.
No,
I mean,
this is awesome. Wait, what are these seats?
They're called Scat Pro 90 seats.
Oh yeah. Look at
And
this.
my friend Hoppy helped me put them in and
And you got the roller pedal.
roller pedal.
Nice.
I mean,
now people see this is not a thing everyone's seen. So you
Yeah.
put your foot on the
and
pedal.
that's
it
old
rolls.
school. That's 80s. You know,
Yeah,
old school.
that's awesome.
You know, if you were born in the 80s, that'll tell you right there.
Yeah, it's so
you know.
good. It's
We
really
used to
good.
use the skateboard
Uh-huh.
wheels.
Yeah, that's
but
what that
now,
reminds me of. Yeah, it's a really cool roller pedal. Dude, right down the shifter. Really nice, man.
You know.
And there's so much, everyone's like, the bug's so small. There's plenty of room in here.
I mean, look at me.
Yeah.
I'm a
I could-
250-pound guy.
I can get in and out or whatever it is, burgers and fries all day. This is great. Dude, I love this car. This is great. Wow.
Yeah, we'll go for a cruise, man. So.
Yeah, it's cool. Dude, I love it. And we gotta talk about the stance, because everyone's talking about the stance.
Oh,
like,
you know, it's a Cal look stance.
dude,
You know.
look at this. Wow.
You know, everybody sees it and said, "Oh, you must be from California, huh?" And I
Yeah.
go, yeah, you know. That's
And those are the Porsche folks. Fuchs.
those are. I couldn't afford the real ones, so those are the mark-offs.
I'm liking the mark-offs, but you got the Willwoods.
Oh yeah, you gotta go with Will.
You gotta go
yeah,
Willwoods,
gotta-
right? Yeah. This is sick. Wow.
You know, and
Look at
everybody,
this.
you know, and that's all you need really is just a front disc brace.
Yeah.
I mean, you're only talking, you know, maybe 500 pounds.
No, yeah.
know, I mean, it don't take much.
Maybe 650.
Yeah, yeah.
675 tops. Yeah, it depends.
Yeah.
Before, after lunch, it changes.
Right.
That's great. Wow, look at this.
And then I got the Moff exhaust. Everybody asks about my exhaust. It's a Moff exhaust. It's stainless steel.
Yeah.
With ceramic.
It's
And it's
great.
a Porsche. It comes from a Porsche.
Wow. Can I hear it?
Oh yeah.
Let's do it. Eddie, this car is amazing.
I appreciate it, man.
Oh yeah. Whoa. Oh
Little dirty, but
no. That's okay. Look at that. Yeah, you can kill it.
80 on the freeway, no problem.
Wow. This is like a NASCAR loud motor. This is so great, dude. You must be
Yeah.
so proud of yourself.
Yeah,
Really great.
You know, it's taking a lot of different hands to help me.
Yeah.
To vision. There's Mr. Baker, Tim Baker.
Yeah.
At Baker Restorations out in Dallas. He's
Yeah.
helped me a lot.
Well, it's a community, right?
Yeah, I mean, VWs. I mean, everybody's willing to help.
Yeah. There's a bug out there for everybody, and everybody's gonna help work on the bug.
Yeah.
So it all works out. This is amazing. I really love what you've done with it, and I think you're gonna keep it on the road for a long time.
Oh yeah.
Good for you, man. Congratulations.
Thank you, man.
Beautiful bug
Appreciate it.
and kicking the cancer.
I'll be 3 years in September.
Yes.
3 years from my cancer surgery, and then 4 years since I was diagnosed.
Excellent.
So
Excellent.
This and my buddy Mark Renwick, he brought me back, dude, because I was bad. I was bad, you know.
Bugs,
But, hey,
saving lives.
Yeah, saving lives.
Amazing, amazing. And before the rain comes, we got the other bug here. This is a beautiful car. Is this your car?
Yeah,
Awesome. What sedan. Beautiful.
Right.
What was your name?
Super Beetle, Jim.
Jim, I'm VW.
Yeah,
Nice to meet you, Jim.
Nice to meet you.
Jim, how long have you had this car for?
I've had this one probably 5 years. I've had 13 bugs, but I've had this one 5 years.
Wait, 13 bugs?
Yeah.
What was your first bug?
63
63.
when I was in college. Yep.
Did you buy it?
Used car, yeah.
Used car in
Yep,
63.
63, but
Okay.
2 or 3 years old. So yeah.
Awesome. What is it about, can I ask, what is it about bugs that you like so much?
I don't know. I've had street rods for years. I got out of bugs for many, many years. Then I came back. I retired, and I thought I'm going to build another car. I thought I'm so old, I'll just get a Volkswagen. It's about half a car. So
Right.
That's what I did.
What have you done to this car so far?
Everything.
Everything. So
It was-
ground up
it
restoration?
was baby blue.
Oh,
So I painted it, new motor, new suspension, new brakes, new everything. Everything, interior, everything.
wow, Jim. Really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I
How long-
did the paint myself.
it looks amazing. Like I'm
Thank
looking
you.
at the rain clouds rolling in here.
Right.
That's
right.
pretty great. How'd the car come to you?
I was out riding my hot rod out in the country one day.
Sorry.
So I saw it sitting out for sale,
Uh-huh.
And I stopped, made a mistake of turning around and going back and looking at it, and I bought it. So it was about time for my birthday, and I called my wife, said, "You got me a present yet?" She went, "No." I said, "Don't, I just bought me one."
Yeah, I just got my first motorcycle. It's a 49 Indian Scout. So it's a regular shift, no hand shift, whatever. So I'm learning about motorcycles. I'm still early on it, but I love these old vintage. It's so much fun.
Right.
It's so great.
Right.
Look at this beautiful car.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Thank
And you think you're done? Anything else on the list to do? There's always one more thing,
Maybe,
right?
maybe, yeah. You never know.
Come on, Jim. Tell me what
I had dual carbs. I took those off and I've got it running real good now, so I'm afraid to mess with it a whole lot.
Yeah, the dual carbs are fun and they sound pretty, but
never could get it right.
It's a nightmare to orchestrate, you know?
Never could get it right. I took back to a single carb and put the high voltage descriptor on it, and it runs pretty good right now.
Yeah, the closer to OG you are, the better it seems to run.
Seems to be.
It's so great.
Right.
Wow. I love it.
I drive this thing all the time.
So nice. Take us to a lot of shows?
Oh yeah. I drive it every weekend somewhere else, during the week too, a lot of times.
You got the Safari
pop out windows in the back.
So of all the things you've done, what's one of the harder things you've had to do to restore the car?
Body work was pretty bad. I thought it would have rust in it, so I stripped it down to nothing. Took everything, windows, everything out. Didn't find any rust at all.
Huh? Can I look inside?
Sure.
Shoot from the front. Rain's coming.
It is.
Wow. Beautiful. Well,
usually,
I know people are getting wet, so I got to hurry up and.
You don't see them black and black. That's usually they don't come that way. So.
This is awesome, Jim. Thank you so much, man. Thanks for talking to me about the bug. It's awesome.
Thank you.
To be on my channel, I'll send you a thing.
All right.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
I didn't know about the weather. How you doing?
Doing well.
VW, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I think I saw your car at Bugapalooza. Is that right?
Yes.
You did, yeah. Cool. Do you mind the rain?
I don't.
I don't. You mind the rain? We're good. We're gonna shoot rain or shine. I'm delicate, but I'm not fragile. Am I right?
Right.
Oh, it's
Well,
raining hard now.
Might want to get in the car.
Yeah, maybe we want to. I got camera though too. Should we room for in the back?
Sure.
Come on, get in the car. Good. It's raining. Ah! Okay. This is the most unique. This is the most unique episode of Bug Hugs ever. We're here with. So I didn't get your name, which is in your car.
Wes Stewart.
VW, man. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So there isn't really a tent for a couple hundred feet. Normally, you should never get in a car with strangers.
Right.
But this is a beautiful car to get into. So it's show business, Wes.
Right.
Rain or shine.
Make it happen.
That's what this means. Yeah, exactly. Make it happen. Wes, how'd you get this beautiful car?
I bought this car in '86.
Okay.
It was my first car when I was 15.
Nice. My first car was a VW also. It was 75.
Right.
I got it when I was 16. So yeah, I'm with you on that.
I hated it.
I didn't expect that to come out of your mouth.
Well, my dad told me whatever I saved up, he would match and we'd buy my first car.
Right.
I saved up saved up $900.
Okay.
This came up for sale right up the street from our house for $1,200. So my dad bought this, and I was so damn mad. Excuse my language.
Beep.
Because I wanted a V8. I wanted a young kid, wanted power.
Yeah.
About 2 weeks after I bought the car, I blew up the motor.
What did you do to the poor Volkswagen, young West, blowing up Volkswagen motors? What did you do?
I was racing these college girls in an Escort GT.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Wes.
So
young Wes.
I had to go walk somebody's house. Back then, didn't have cell phones. Called my dad, told him, I needed help, blew up the motor. On the way home, we stopped at an auto parts store. He buys the Chilton's manual. He said, "Here, and I rebuild it."
Love your dad. That's the dad right there.
Yep.
Excellent.
And that's what started my addiction. So I sold the car in '94. My wife and I were at dinner in 2019, and I told her I was getting tired of the hobbies I was doing, and she'd heard all these stories about the yellow bug I had when I was a kid.
Yes, because you never forget your first love.
Right.
Not your wife, but the car.
A minute or two later, she shows me this ad on Facebook Marketplace. She goes, "Here's your yellow bug." I said, "Honey," I said, "that's my car."
Oh, it's the same one.
She goes, "How can you tell?" I said, "The rear tail lights are Frenched in.
Oh,
the rear
nice.
fenders are different colors of yellow
Yeah.
because I'd stripped the lugs on the wheel and threw the wheel through the fender and didn't match it up right."
All of the things you learned, the mistakes you made this car undeniably identifiable for you. And
Exactly.
You're like, that's my car.
And it was.
Yeah.
So we go to look at it. It still had a Stone Mountain sticker on the windshield. We negotiated a little bit, and we were too far apart. I told him, we're just too far apart.
I hear that. Okay.
So about a week later, he calls me up. He says, "Listen, I understand this was your first car." He says, "And you came across it again." He says, "I feel like this car belongs to you.
Oh, you meant a seller with a soul. Look at you. Okay.
So we came up with a deal on it. I drove it for about a week.
Oh no.
Broke down on me. It just wouldn't crank when I went back out to crank it. So I said, okay, now it's time to rebuild it, restore it, rebuild it.
So ground up restoration.
Yes, every nut, every bolt. Lindy Harrell, his son Steven, did all the metal work. Steve Sands, ProFlow Performance up in Rome, he built the motor. Billy Fagan in Tennessee, Rusty Bottom's garage.
Okay.
He did the transaxle.
You are deeply embedded in the entire Volkswagen community here in the South.
I jumped in, hit all fours.
So yes, when I was in high school, like I said, you could buy a bug for a couple $100, throw some parts on it, some tires, gas, and you were good to go. Now these cars run, 10, 12, 15, 30 grand.
They're getting up there.
Oh my gosh. So we're sitting in a brand new 1966 Beetle. I love it, dude. I love it. So it smells like a new car.
Well, it doesn't smell like a Beetle because it doesn't have the horsehair in it.
Yeah, exactly. And all the years of sadness dripping in from the car not starting just starts right away. When the new car, it smells like a new car.
Right.
Okay. So this red color, I don't know if people can appreciate this dash. Tell me about this. Why did you choose this beautiful candy red apple? Like, what was the?
It's actually candy Brandywine by House of Colors.
So now you got this car. It's up and running. It took you
5 years.
5 years, and that's why they're so expensive.
Well, and the hardest part really was finding a quality body guy. Trying to find somebody to do the body and paint. Most painters won't do candy anymore.
Oh, it's just difficult.
Right.
Yeah.
There's like 7 coats of paint on this car.
Yeah. So who did you get to paint this car?
A guy named Alan Clay in Lula, Georgia.
I mean, it's worth the wait because if you start compromising in quality and look, you don't get all this like. It was totally worth it, right? I mean, why would you want to, after all this time, to find the car you wanted and do all the work with all the upholstery with the red stitching all the way around that matches the seats? Don't think I didn't notice that, dude. It's awesome. Like, look at these back seats. This is crazy. Wow.
Now, the seat covers came from SoFine out of Colorado.
I love SoFine. I went and talked to them also. They're awesome, family-run business.
Right.
Yeah, small community, really talented people.
Right.
As you get higher quality, the circle gets smaller, right?
It is so hard to find people to work on these things.
Yes.
And about 2 weeks after I bought this car, my wife tells me, she goes, I always wanted a bus.
Honey, now you tell me?
Okay. So I started looking at the bay windows. She says, no. She goes, I want the one with the B in the front.
Oh.
Oh, no.
Honey has good taste. I like your wife.
Well, if y'all were at Bugapalooza, you probably saw her purple bus.
Oh, yeah, I did. I did see the bus. Okay. Yeah.
So that's
beautiful. She got the bus.
Yes, she got the bus, and we spent 5 years on it, restoring that one
so
too.
You have this beautiful car. You have a beautiful bus. You have other Volkswagens in the family?
I have a problem.
This is what intervention looks like for Volkswagen people. We get them in the rain. We lock them in their car, and then we make them confess.
So at the moment, we have 8. I have a drag bug with over 300 horsepower.
Can we come out to your compound and meet your 8 Beetles? I got to see these cars. Right, guys?
Okay.
We're okay. 8 cars.
Yeah.
You're the man. Wow. You found somebody who will let you do all this. Guys,
oh, no, she's part of the problem. In fact, I'm going to look at a red convertible on the way home because she wants me to look at it.
Awesome. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you guys next week. Hopefully it's not raining like this. And yeah, see you on the next one.